All right, welcome back to Module 13. We're in week 13. We're ready to finish strong here in the fall 2019 semester. I'm looking forward to this. For this particular module, you want to read chapters 11 and 12. So chapter 11 focuses on policies and programs related to children. And then chapter 12 focuses on healthcare policies. And we've been talking about both quite a bit throughout this entire semester. And so you want to read chapters 11 and 12, obviously. And once you get done with that, you're going to do a macro case study assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that so you can see it. So the purpose of this assignment is for you to take a scenario that you might encounter in your practice as a social worker employed with an agency, and to do a little bit of research, do a little bit of problem solving in two scenarios. And so you'll imagine that you're employed as a macro social worker. When we say macro, you're working in policy or administration or community-focused social work, so not necessarily individual one-to-one with clients. So there's two scenarios. There's raising special kids, and there is area agency on aging. So don't do both. Choose one, whatever one suits your interests the most. In both of them, you're going to need to do some research. So you're going to take a look, do a web search on either of the agencies, and you want to write what those agencies do. And then what you want to do is list the name of policies pertaining to the population your agency works with. And three, gives you a scenario on a task or a problem that might be happening in the agency. So you can see they're a little bit different. And then four is an additional question. So either scenario, you have 4 questions. So you're going to want to do a little bit of research on the agency through a Google search or whatever search engine that you use. And then you're also going to want to look back in your textbook at the policies that impact that population that agency works with. And then you're going to come up with some creative ideas or answers to the questions that are posed. So pretty simple, but if you have any questions, please let me know. You're definitely going to want to pay attention to each of the questions, and you'll be graded on how thoroughly you answer the questions and the type of insight and creativity. So give it some thought. I love seeing some of your creative ideas, problem solving. We saw some of that. I've been seeing some of that with your Module 12 interview assignment. So you guys are doing really good. If you have any questions, as usual, you know how to get a hold of me. And I hope you have a great week, and get a hold of me if you have any questions. Take care. We'll talk to you soon.